Hello, my name is Dillan Savage of Fourth Law Office, and I practice primarily in the Oklahoma City, Oklahoma area. Today we are going to be briefly discussing the Oklahoma Airport Zoning Act and where you can find the different rules and laws and regulations that make this act as a whole. So if you want to find the statutes and provisions that make up this Airport Zoning Act, you can go to Title 3, Sections 100 through Section 116, and that should cover pretty much the entirety of the Airport Zoning Act of Oklahoma. If you do violate these acts, or this act, you are potentially going to be found liable and guilty of a misdemeanor, which carries with it certain ramifications such as being placed in jail or fines. I do go into a bit more detail in a different video about that. Now, what is involved just in this Airport Zoning Act, you might ask? Without just going and looking at the statutes, it could include, or does include, information such as what an airport hazard is and the different powers that political municipalities have in order to deal with these airport hazards. Additionally, it's going to cover zoning regulations, how an individual might obtain a permit and where to request a permit, to alter, construct, or otherwise modify structures that would create an airport hazard. You can also look more into this act and find the acquisition of air rights and plenty more. If it has something to do with zoning and airport safety, you're going to find it in this act. Again, it is the Airport Zoning Act, and it will be covered in Title 3, Section 100 to 116. If you found this video to be helpful, or you believe it could help someone else, please go to theoklahomacityattorney.com. My name is Dillan Savage, and thank you for watching.